Guys, welcome to my another video of a product review. Today I'm going to show you how this product work. I purchased this from TikTok, also available on Amazon, and this claim to make your pizza in 5 to 6 minutes. So this is how it looks, and we are going to do product review video, also going to use it and show you how this works. And link for this similar product, not the same brand but similar one, available on the Amazon. So I will leave link in my description box. If you're interested, don't forget to check out. So this comes with a manual and a pizza cutter, and this is pizza stone with two handle on the side, so it's easy to carry. Then pizza pillar, and this is the pizza maker. And as you can see, the suction is pretty good, doesn't move easily. Once you're open, you can see from inside, bottom and top, and this is how it looks. There is a window you can see while your pizza is cooking, and this is the temperature, and it will go up to 800, that's what it says. So that's pretty cool. And then there are two knobs here, red light and green light, and there is a setting up to 5. The temperature you can select up to 5 is the highest, and there is a timing other side. You can select 5, 10 and 15. So this is how it looks. So let's assemble it, and I'm gonna put this stone over it. And now quickly let's prepare the pizza. I have already prepared one pizza, and I'm making the second one just to show you, and it turned out really good. So we'll make other ones. So this is the pizza peeler. You can use it like this, just put it on the pizza stove, your pizza, and then let it cook for about 5 to 6 minutes max. And you can see it from window. And look at this, and I'll show you from the bottom as well. So nicely pinked.